The 27th conference of the Ghana National Association of Private Schools brought some smiles to the leadership of the schools as it was announced government would soon start posting trained teachers to the private schools to teach. That's not all. The private schools would also soon be beneficiaries of government textbooks. Director General of the National Schools Inspectorate Authority, Dr. Hilda Hagan-Pedu, says discussions are ongoing with the Ministry of Education to implement that.
Additionally, the authority is currently in negotiations on behalf of private schools with the Honorable Minister of Education, the Honorable Dr. Yawose Edichum, on some interventions such as distribution of textbooks to private schools, posting of trained teachers who have not been absorbed by the public school system to the private school system. We believe that we are also educating Ghanaian children and should benefit from the same coffers. As stated earlier, NASIA during the various mediation meetings encouraged parents to work closely with school leadership to amicably resolve issues. Equally, proprietors were advised to reinvigorate their role of PTAs as partners in educating the Ghanaian children. We found out that during most of our mediations, most of the schools that had very vibrant PTAs that were in support of school leadership, the PTAs were speaking for the school leadership. And it was only a few disgruntled parents who were the ones causing the problem. And the PTAs were able to quench it at the school level without us even having to intervene. So we encourage you to work well with your PTAs. Also, I heard the acting president's plea that he doesn't want the schools closed. The schools will not be closed down if we are adhering to the protocols and we are decreasing our numbers. But where we continue to report increasing numbers, then you are leaving the health service no choice. So let's all plan to adhere by this protocol so that we can all reduce the numbers. Then we can make a stronger case for why the schools shouldn't be closed down.
Acting president of the association, Dr. Damasos Churosong, indicated many private schools have folded up while others are struggling to break even as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. He, however, says in spite of the difficulties, they hope to pull through with the support of government.
Research conducted by NAPS and confirmed by other studies shows that the 10-month closure of schools last year has caused us financial difficulties for our schools. Not only are schools struggling to pay debts incurred last year, many schools are unable to break even this academic year owing to two major factors. First, it is 30 to 40% more expensive to run a private school today in the era of COVID-19 than it was in normal times. This is the result of the need for us to supply PPEs, enforce social distancing in our classrooms, school buses, dormitories, dining hall, etc. Obviously, social distancing comes with the need for more space and the need to engage more staff to take care of the learners entrusted.
The association says it would in the coming days be knocking on the doors of government with so many requests to enable the private schools survive. Richard Kwejenyako, Joy News, Cape Coast.